Hi, this is Matt with Ernie Lopez Bail Bonds and LopezBail.com. And there is some breaking news on the coronavirus front, and that is that the first inmate at Orange County Jail in California has tested positive for coronavirus. And this is unfortunate news. The jail caught it early. They had 12 inmates that they had quarantined with flu-like symptoms. Of those, 8 did not have coronavirus. One has tested positive. The others, they're still waiting for the test results. This story is breaking right now. The details are unfolding quickly. This inmate is in isolation, but jails are ill prepared to deal with this type of epidemic. In Orange County, they track who the inmate has come into contact with throughout the day. So they know the guards, the medical staff, the other inmates that should be placed into a 14-day quarantine. I think that Orange County is better prepared than Los Angeles County, if only because they have such a smaller inmate population at the county jail level. Los Angeles County is overrun. And my assumption would be that the coronavirus, COVID-19, has probably entered the LA jail population. And I hope that they get those tests there quickly so that they can identify those cases and try to separate them out. However, due to the way that they keep people in pods where they can freely interact with each other, there's such a great likelihood that this is just going to spread quickly, especially considering that doctors and hospitals often don't have the type of masks, the N95s that they need to stay protected. You can only assume that the doctors and medical staff in county jails are not going to have this type of equipment, which means that not only could this spread throughout the inmate population in those jails, but that this is going to be a way that it spreads throughout our communities as well, which is a frightening prospect. Of course, we are better off in a state like California, where we are not heavily reliant on public transit, the way that many other cities like New York and other countries around the world do rely on things like subways and trains to get around. We are better off in those places, but only if we follow the safer at home guidelines that the various counties in California have set. And that means staying home unless it's an absolute necessity to get out of the house to get groceries or supplies that you need. Of course, it's also a great idea to get out and get some exercise and stay healthy and fit. You just want to make sure that you do this in a way where you maintain that 6-foot distance from other people. And if you're looking for other tips on way to keep your family and loved ones safe, I've included those tips in the description of the video. So just go ahead and click through those videos. I've got a whole segment set up where we give you lots of great tips to keep yourself and your family safe. If your loved one has been arrested during this pandemic, we are doing our part to help the community by removing all financial barriers from bailing your loved one out. So give us a call at 310-371-5548, and we will make sure to bail your loved one out. We will, like I said, remove financial barriers. We understand that many people have lost their jobs during this time, and so the answer is yes. We'll figure out a way to get it done because we want to help keep our community safe, and we want to help keep your family safe. So call us if you have any questions. If a loved one's been arrested, it is so critical to bail them out as quickly as possible from the local level. We do not want this to go on. You do not want your loved one in the county jails at this time. So watch those other videos and subscribe to this channel for the latest updates as coronavirus continues to affect law enforcement, the courts, and the bail system in California. Thanks for watching, and stay safe and healthy.